You see it. And this what this is, baby. It's the Salvage King edition.
Complete teardown of
The
frame
Salvage King
rebuild.
right back at you with another one, baby.
Echo Homes has a home just for you. Whether you happily live alone or have a brood of 10. To find joy and peace of mind, visit
T-Homes don't play with them, baby. They're the best in the goddamn business. We on what, the third day?
Third day.
It's the third day, baby.
Friends and family sale with an extra 30% off everything to get you.
It's what they make your car look like when they stole it in 3 days. But we ain't stole this. We paid for this.
Skincare, makeup, and more.
We're done. Here's that paid yet.
I'm telling you.
And shop incredible specials now.
I'm talking about everything gonna be brand new, man. Even that cigarette lighter. Everything gonna be brand new, baby. T-Hog ain't playing with them, baby.
No, sir.
We got the best in the business on this. I see right here, we're gonna make a little brace going all the way across right there, baby. We're gonna brace that thing there up right there. We're gonna reinforce that. So we're gonna be working with some power on this.
This price participation may vary. Includes 4-piece nuggets, small soft drink, and small fry. Prices may be
This thing ready to get sandblasted, powder coated, baby. You gotta reinforce that frame. We talking about 1,800 horsepower right here. Salvage King, baby.